Well, just in time for the holidays, we have an event happening here at Centennial Village in Greeley, and that is Homesteader's Holiday. And here to tell us more about this year's event, we have Jeff Havens, who is museum curator with the City of Greeley. Jeff, great to have you here, and we are so excited to hear about Homesteader's Holidays this year.
Yeah, so this is the last of our annual events each year. December 2nd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We'll have holiday crafts, hot cocoa, hot cider, all those good festive beverages. And our famous visitor is returning. Cowboy Santa will be back this year in the log cabin, just like he always is. We're really excited to have him back to talk to all the little girls and boys who have Christmas dreams.
Yeah, okay, well, I still have some of those, so I guess I should come in and meet Cowboy Santa. In the meantime, in order for folks to kind of prep for this, could you give us an idea of where Centennial Village is located? And I'm guessing that there's a little bit of a fee to get in this year.
Sure. So we're at 1475 A Street here in Greeley, right next door to Island Grove Park. And we have a $4 admission fee for those young at heart or young in age. Those 12 and under can also bring a canned food item as their cost of admission. And we take all those food items and they go to the Weld County Food Bank after the event. So it's kind of our way of saying thank you and giving back to the community as well for this fun holiday event that we're putting on.
So it's a great event and a great cause in that sense. And of course, it doesn't just have to go for admission. They could obviously, if folks want to bring those canned goods, I'm sure that those will be welcome. Now, when folks arrive, there's some lots of exciting things. We mentioned Cowboy Santa. He's pretty important, but there are some other things that are pretty popular, candle dipping and others.
Yes, so candle dipping is back this year, as it always is. The chance for everyone to make their own hand-dipped candle in our carriage house. We'll also be doing Victorian paper crafts again as well. So 2 opportunities to make and take. Along with all of the buildings will be decorated. We'll have volunteers touring folks around our historic buildings here at the village as well.
And just to wrap things up here, music as well.
Yes, live music in our Centennial Church from about 11 a.m. onwards that day.
Okay, so just to reiterate, we are looking at December 2nd here at Centennial Village. That is from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. If folks have questions or want more details on the event, they can head on over to
GreeleyMuseums.com.
All right. Well, Jeff, thank you so much for being here today. We look forward to a great holiday event here at Centennial Village.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
All right, so make sure you grab the family. Well, you don't have to grab them, but you could bring them along out here to Centennial Village on December 2nd for Homesteader's Holiday. Again, for more of those details, head on over to GreeleyMuseums.com.